Okay, let's address the silent graveyard in all our closets. Those outfits that looked main character in the store, but now they are just kind of a background character in your cupboard. Yeah, I'm talking about the I will wear this someday pile. And yeah, today I am saving you from yourself, if that's safe for me to say. I'm giving you five shopping
Wow.
tests that will help you from blowing your money on the clothes you will never wear. And I'm going to be brutally honest, but in a cute, loving way. Let's talk about test number one. That is called the three outfit rule. Um, Now, if you can think of three outfits that you can build with the pieces that you already have. For example, you're seeing a top in a store, and if you can pair it with a skirt, with your jeans, or with your pants, or any of your lowers, and if you can make three outfits out of that top, go for it. I am not talking about your fantasy world where you live in Paris or you have breakfast for dinner. I am being real here. So if you cannot think of three outfits with that piece that you're going to buy, don't buy it. For example, if you see a silver blingy top and that costs you around 3,000, 4,000, and you cannot wear it more than once, I don't think it's worth the money. I hope you get my point and act smart instead of going impulsive while you're shopping. Test number two is the comfort test. Now, if you're in a trial room and you cannot sit, breathe, or walk properly in that outfit or the piece, I don't think you should buy it. And if you really want to test how that outfit or that piece would actually hold up in your life, I think you should just walk around and see if you feel comfortable and then only go for it. Because if you're doing those penguin movements in your trial room, then just drop that piece now. Test number three is the would I wear this tomorrow question. Now, no cheating. If your answer is maybe when I lose 5 kilos or when I get invited to a specific event or when my body magically turns into Bella Hadid, the answer should be instantly no, and you should drop that piece. The outfit you're buying should be for your current life and not for your Pinterest version who wakes up at 6 a.m. and goes to yoga. Okay, I have a confession to make. A few days ago, I went shopping and I saw this really dreamy denim jumpsuit, and I was like, oh, I have to get this. I bought it without actually trying it on in the trial room, and I got home. I was so excited to try it on, and when I tried it on, it looked so bad. And that's when I was like, I have to make a video on the shopping tests because I forgot to try it on. And how dumb of me. Never mind. The test number four is price per piece rule. Do a little quick math. If a blazer costs around 3,000 and if you're going to wear it 30 times, that is 100 times per wear. And there's a sequined skirt that costs you 700, but you're just going to wear it one time. See the difference? See the scam? The blazer, even if it's a little expensive, you're going to utilize it so much, but that sequin skirt is just a waste of money. Okay, so if you're bad at math, just think that will I reach for this particular item a lot, or will I just reach for it once? And then just reach for excuses. Now you know the answer. It's pretty simple. Just do a basic calculation and you will know what I'm talking about in your next shopping spree. The test number 5 is the fabric reality check. Now just run your hands through the fabric, and if it feels scratchy, thin, or like it's going through a breakup, just know that it's not going to age well. And last but not the least, for the love of fashion, check if the seams of that item are in place. If it's unraveling in the store, imagine the horror story after the first laundry. And yeah, so the next time you go shopping, treat shopping like a dating app and swipe left on everything that doesn't meet these 5 tests. Your bank account and your closet will thank you for sure. So tell me in the comments the fashion regrets you've ever bought, and bonus point if it includes sequins. And yeah, just remember you don't need more clothes, you just need clothes that love you back. And I will see you in my next one. Until then, bye bye.